guys, this is Fairway Tita, and this is another episode of Through the Fairways with Fairway Tita, episode 10. And our guest again is Saling Kit. We're gonna know what's in her golf bag. Okay, hi Saling Kit.
Hi.
Okay, so what's in your bag? First of all, can you show us your bag?
My golf bag.
It's all
It's all
CBU,
CBU.
guys. Lands up. Hi, Coach Machado. Okay. So, then let's see your driver. Show them first your head covers.
My head cover.
CBU. Okay. And then that's your driver. What's your driver?
My driver's PXG.
PXE. Show
I
them.
got it from Eric.
Chong. Hi.
Yeah.
Impact Golf. Okay. What is the loft?
It's 10.5.
10.5.
10.5.
10.5. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the yardage of your the carry, no?
Carry maybe
Carry.
like 220.
220, yeah? Okay, yeah.
Maybe.
That's more than my driver can handle. Okay, next.
Then
You have one lang na wood.
No, I have,
You have
two
two.
woods, one hybrid.
Okay, 2 woods. What is your 2 woods?
I have a 3 wood.
3 wood? I thought you didn't have a
TSR.
3 wood.
TSR 2.
TSR, you show them. TSR.
15.
Can you show us the yung where's the impact? Or the irons na lang later.
Oh yeah, wedges.
Okay, the
Wala.
wedges. Okay. That's 3 wood.
Yeah,
And
my
then
5 wood is
5 wood.
older.
So 3 and 5. Same brand?
Yeah,
No.
Titleist also, but it's TSI too.
TSI2. Okay.
18.
What is the
big
carry
green.
of your 3 woods?
My 3 wood maybe carry 190.
Driver ko yun eh. Okay, okay. How about your 5 woods?
wood like 180.
Driver ko pa rin yun guys eh. No? Okay. And then we have one hybrid only.
Yeah, one hybrid.
Okay. What's your hybrid? Hybrid.
It's Titleist also, TSI 2.
What number?
4.
Hybrid 4. What's the carry?
Carry like 175.
What? 75? Driver
It's
also?
like higher. Higher than
Driver
the 5.
also? Driver also for me. And then you just have
Then-
irons na.
Yeah, then my
Okay.
iron.
How many irons?
I have 5.
5. So,
5,
that's
6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is what
Yeah.
brand is that?
PXG.
PXG.
From Eric
For
also.
Eric Chong. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you show us the wedges naman? Your wedges. How
Wedges?
many wedges do you
I have
have?
4 wedges.
4 wedges.
So my pitching wedge is 46.
Pitching wedge 46.
Then my gap is 50.
Gap
Then
50.
the one I use a lot is 56 around the green.
Around the
And
greens.
then 60s for like your
What is your
lives.
approach?
What do you
For
mean?
your approach shot, what do you use, Fred?
I mean, depends on the yardage.
Okay, but can we see the impact?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at the impact point. It's here. Mine is, I don't know. I don't even want to
Here.
know. And what's your putter?
My putter, I got it from a tournament.
A tournament?
Free from the
Free?
host tournament.
Whoa! So
Yeah.
is this what,
Odyssey?
Odyssey?
Like the AI one.
AI1?
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh, it's cute. Your grip
Yeah,
is
But
donuts.
it's dirty.
Dirty. You're also pasmado.
Yeah, actually.
Like Jet?
Yeah,
Huh?
actually.
Oh,
I am.
you're also a pasmado girl. He's a
Yeah.
pasmado
Not,
boy.
Yeah, not.
Okay.
I
But
like
you're a girl, I
less-
don't like you.
less-
I like Jet, pasmado. But cute. Cutie, hunky.
I'm cute also.
Cute, depends on my... Oh, so what else do you put in your bag? You have a rangefinder.
Yeah, I have a range
Finder. There. And then what else? Where do you put what do you put pa inside your golf bag?
In this pocket, I
Yeah.
have like my bands to warm up.
Okay.
And like, if I have food, I put it there.
Okay, what food do you like eat during a tournament or a competition?
I like grapes.
Grapes
Or
and then
like orange. The seedless orange.
and then that's it? You just eat that and water?
Yeah, grapes, orange. I mean, if I'm playing 18 lang, then like grapes, orange.
But if you're
Banana.
playing like 36 holes in one day, you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you eat then?
If I play 36, then it's kind of the same. But then, like, after the first 18, I'll eat like a sandwich. that
And how
Coach
about
gives
your
us.
makeup, your beauty stuff?
Oh,
Remember?
it goes in this
The
pocket.
lippy, no? Lippy
Yeah,
and
sunscreen.
sunscreen. So, guys, that's the Selling Kits golf bag. And we'll have more pros and amateur golfers sharing what's inside their golf bags. So, guys, I'll see you at the fairway.